Here we are on Chris's 300. Wes is getting ready to pull this leaking power steering pump out. Chris got a pump. I'm assuming, he said it was NOS, but I don't know, it looks more like it's a reman to me. It's also got the wrong pulley, so we're gonna have to swap that out, but Wes is getting her apart. So the pump Chris got, the pulley is the wrong diameter for one. So we went to go change the pulleys, and we noticed something. That shaft's a lot bigger than that shaft. Average me. Average me.
Ooh, self-burn. Those are
But
rare.
it's okay, because the pulley's bigger. That's like, my balls are bigger, so it's okay. So, it's, yeah. Anyway, we went way off topic. So, Houston, we have a problem. This is not the correct dealio, Chris.